Hello guys, it's Darren again here from KIFFIX, and today I'm going to show you how to create a smart link on the KIFFIX platform. From the main dashboard, you can go to the left-hand side menu and click on Smartlinks. Smartlinks creates a sleek landing page with your album artwork that allows fans to listen to your music on their preferred platform. So I see a lot of times, for example, an artist will post their Spotify link to their Facebook page, but unfortunately, not all of the fans will be on Spotify. A lot of them will only listen to music on Apple Music or on YouTube or SoundCloud. So what a smart link does, it gives your fans options on where they want to listen to your music. So to begin, you just basically say new smart link. I'm going to use a track from Tiesto today as an example. I will delete this straight afterwards. And the track is called The Business. So you add in the business, add in the track title, add in the artist name, which is Tiesto, upload the album artwork. And I have the album artwork saved over there. You see it actually creates a little preview on the left hand side, and then all you have to do is add in the URLs or the links from the various DSPs. So I've got the Spotify link here from the business, add in the link to Spotify, Apple Music, I've got it here open, copy the link there, paste. Here's for Beatport, copy the link for Beatport. Let me just add it in here. I then have, what is this, Deezer. I'll copy the link from Deezer and add it in here. And I have Tidal as well. So I'll copy and add the link for Tidal. Now, I'm not going to do all of these as I'm just going to basically show you an example. So once you have populated these, you can say create smart link. And you'll see it'll open up and create the page. Now, this is the actual link that you will share out. And if I open that, you will notice a beautiful one-pager where your fans now can listen to the music on their preferred platform. And that is the link that you would share out. You can also toggle between light and day mode, which is really cool. And then another function is you're able to see the views and the clicks here over here. So I've actually got some other examples of the smart links that I've created myself here. You can see I've got tons of them. And you are able to then see the views. So if I click on this, you can see it as a total of 54 views, 5 clicks with a 9.3% conversion rate. It then gives you where your clicks are coming from, which DSP. So beautiful to create these awesome pages for your fans and have them listen to your music on their preferred platform. Sign up to KIFFIX today. Go to kiffix.com or drop us a message or DM on Instagram, and we can chat. Will be great to have you on the platform. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.